Did you heard about crypto? Maybe last week, last month, last year, or the last decade, and you've been asking yourself and wondering at how do I get started in crypto? How do I make my first move and start buying Bitcoin, Ethereum, or some meme coins to make money? If you are such kind of person and you are watching me today, then today is your lucky day, because I promise you that no one will explain and make you understand and make you know how to do things in crypto than I. I bet you that by the end of this video, if you are able to watch to the end, you are going to know everything about crypto and how to get started. Okay, so not wasting my time, today I'm here to show you how to create a centralized exchange account to buy your first crypto, and how to get verified, how to fund it, everything. I'm going to break it down with a tutorial for you to watch too, so you understand and know how to do everything. If you are here with me today, I will urge you to kindly hit the subscribe button for me, because if it's your first time watching this video, you probably want to watch more videos from me, I bet you. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and if you have a friend you wish to know this, just share the video with the person and help the person too. Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to, as I said, how to create a centralized exchange account, and we are going to use an example of Bybit. Bybit app is what we are going to use as an example for the tutorial. And in a part 2 of this video, which is going to come later, I'll show you how to fund your account from your Momo wallet, your mobile money wallet, being it MTN Momo, Vodafone Cash, or your bank account. Okay, and in the part 3 of this video, I'm going to show you how to make transactions, everything you need to know about transactions. So if you watch this video, probably wait for the next video, or by the time you find this video, maybe all the videos has been published. So just if you watch the part 1, watch the part 2 and the part 3 to understand everything in depth. So not wasting my time, I'm going to show you from how to install the Bybit app and start creating an account on the Bybit app. Okay, so let's hop to the Google App Store. Sorry, if you are an Android user, just visit the Google Play Store and do exactly as I'm doing. So go to the search bar and search for Bybit, B-Y-B-I-T, Bybit. Just press on the Bybit, and as you can see, it's showing update here. If it's your first time searching for this app, it will show get here. For us, it's showing for the Trust Wallet. Okay, so as for me, I've already installed it, as I said, so it's showing update. So I need to update this app and continue. But for the purpose of this video, I'm not going to update this app. I'm going to open. So when you search first, as I said, it will show get. Just press on the get. This is the Bybit app. It will show get here, not update. Just press on the get and verify and download the app. So after downloading the app, this is how the app look like. So after downloading the app, you hop into the app like this. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be creating a new account and verify the account, everything, so you know. Okay, so this what is going to show up when you install the Bybit app for the first time. So log in if you have an existing account and you sign up for your first time. So for this being our first time, we are going to sign up for Bybit. So you press on the sign up here, you press on the sign up, and you either enter your email address, being your Gmail, your Yahoo Mail, your Hotmail, any email address you have, or you enter your phone number, or you can sign up with Google here, as it's showing here. Let me press it down. As it's showing here, you can sign up on Google. You can use your Apple ID, your iCloud to sign up, or you can sign up using Telegram. If you have a Telegram account, you can sign up using Telegram. So for the purpose of this video and to make this video very short and simple, we are going to use our Google account to sign up. So let's press on Google account, press on continue, and it will take you to your Safari browser if you have any account signed in already. So I have this account signed in already, Heaven on Earth Choir. So I'll just press on it, confirm, and wait for a little while. Press on continue. Let's wait for some time. Okay, so as you can see, it's processing, and within a short time, yes, we will have to solve this captcha for security reasons, because they are trying to fish out both accounts from accessing this app. So to prove that you are human, just solve this puzzle, match it just like to fill that space, just to fill that space. Okay, so verification successful and processing. Welcome to Bybit, registration successful. So from here, this is what you need to do. Before you can fund your account and make any transactions after signing up, you need to verify your identity. So from any country you are in, if you are in Nigeria, if you are in Ghana, if you are in Togo, if from anywhere, if you are in Philippines, anywhere you are watching me from, just press on verify my identity. And this is what you are going to need to verify your identity. You are going to need either your national ID, your passport, if you have a driver's license, or if you are living in countries like the Western countries like the United States, you can sign up, you can verify your identity with your SSN or other stuff. But if you are in Africa, I would prefer for you to use your national ID, because that will help very much and it will make things very simple. And I think that's what most of us have, almost all of us have. So press on verify my ID. As you can see, my location is Ghana because I am currently in Ghana. So if you're not in Ghana, or if it happens to show up a different location, just press on this and select your location from here. Simple. So it's a reminder, your selected country affects your identity verification process. Please choose carefully. Okay, so after that, you check this box, this empty box here. I confirm on my selection as true and correct. Okay, so press on confirm and on verified. So proof of identity. So you have to verify your identity. So on the verify, and as I said, either your ID card, your passport, your driver's license, or residence permit. So I think that ID card is the one they are recommending if you are in Africa, if you are living in Nigeria, Togo, Ghana, and the other countries. The ID card is the best option for you. Okay, so press on confirm, and so as you see, they said you are going to take a front and back picture of your ID card. So if you are ready, and if you have you have to get your ID card ready, and make sure your camera is not blurry or is not messed up. Your camera must be clean, and make sure you take the picture at a place which is like exposed to natural light, so you can just come outside. If you are in a room, you can step outside and do this verification. So you press on continue, and for the purpose of this video, I'm going to pause it and do everything. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have my account verified. Okay, I have my account verified and I have everything set up. So as I said, you need your national ID, you need your name, your date of birth, as you need to enter everything to match the national ID. Okay, so after successfully verifying your account like this, watch out for the part 2 of this video where I show you how to fund your account, being it if the money is in your Momo wallet, your Vodafone wallet or your bank account. Okay, so peace out and subscribe and watch out for the next video. Okay, thank you.